Video clip, we will be formulating a design. In this series of video clips, we're going to be designing a simple set of bookshelves. The bookshelves are going to be placed right next to each other. Now, overall